What's up, everybody? So, I'm down here at the shop. I work out part-time, and I'm working on my Yamaha here. I'm trying to get it ready for the race season. I'm making this into a Hooligan race bike for flat track racing. So, took the rear seat off, tail light, side panels, headlight, turn signals, all that came off, front fender. Gonna remove the front brakes and the rotors. I got a new head pipe coming for it. I have shots. Remove the rear shots. I'm going to put some 13.5-inch burleys on it that I had laying around. Right now I'm modifying the factory tachometer so that when I turn the key on, it will light up properly inside there. But yeah, it should be a lot of fun. And stick around for some of the race videos and see me attempting see how I am racing on dirt. So I'm excited. But yeah, we specialize in custom race chassis and flat track stuff. So a lot of cool stuff around here. But yeah, stay tuned and see how I do.